Hello, friends. Welcome. Today, we're diving into 15 powerful strategies that successful people use to take their productivity to the next level. These strategies not only reduce stress, but also help maintain a healthy work-life balance. In today's world, filled with constant distractions, managing time has become more critical than ever. Think about it. How often does your entire day slip away just checking notifications on your phone? These endless alerts don't just consume your attention, they rob you of your most valuable asset, time. Time, once gone, is gone forever. You can't bring it back, no matter how much you wish for it. You have 1,440 minutes in a single day. How you choose to spend them defines your success and happiness. Kevin Kruse, a renowned author, interviewed a diverse group of high achievers, self-made billionaires, Olympic athletes, top-performing students, and hundreds of successful entrepreneurs. Among them were names like Mark Cuban, Richard Branson, and Jack Dorsey. Now, let me ask you, have you ever wished for more time in your day? Time to focus on your health, spend with family, or chase your personal goals? These people once felt the same, but they used proven strategies to master their time and achieve remarkable success. So today, we're uncovering the 15 secrets from Kevin Kruse's book 15 Secrets Successful People Know About Time Management. Let's begin. Secret number 1. Time is your most valuable asset. Time is the one thing you can never get back. It's your most valuable resource, and how you use it determines your life's quality. Imagine an employee faced with two tasks: replying to regular emails or working on a high-priority project that could significantly impact the company. While both tasks seem urgent, they choose the project. Why? Because it aligns with the company's long-term goals. The emails can wait, but the project can shape the future. Now, think about personal life. Suppose you have the option to spend an hour scrolling through social media or reading a book. Understanding time's value, you pick the book. Not only will you learn something new, but it will also bring you a sense of accomplishment. This secret reminds us to treat time like the precious gift it is. Don't waste it. Invest it in things that truly matter. Secret number 2. Master the 168-hour week. This secret teaches you to stop thinking of time in daily chunks. Instead, plan your life across an entire week. Picture a student juggling education, a part-time job, social activities, and personal hobbies. At first, it seems impossible to balance everything. But when they start breaking tasks into weekly segments, dedicating specific hours to each activity, it all begins to fall into place. Instead of feeling overwhelmed every day, they now have a clear map for the entire week. This strategy isn't just about organizing tasks, it's about regaining control of your life. It gives you the freedom to focus on what matters without the constant pressure of daily deadlines. Stay tuned because the secrets only get more powerful from here. Each one has the potential to transform how you approach your time, your goals, and ultimately your life. Instead of focusing on daily tasks, imagine looking at the bigger picture, your entire week. A student, for example, might decide to dedicate Monday to school assignments, Wednesday and Friday for meeting friends, and reserve the weekends for personal hobbies. Recognizing the need for self-care and relaxation, they fix an hour every morning for exercise and meditation. This approach ensures all 168 hours of the week are used effectively. By planning ahead, the student balances commitments and activities without feeling overwhelmed. Thinking in weekly terms gives them the clarity to achieve more while still enjoying life. Secret number 3. Know where your time goes. Have you ever wondered where your time disappears? This secret urges us to track and analyze how we spend every minute. Imagine an employee assigned to a big project but struggling to finish it. Despite working long hours, they feel like there's never enough time. Determined to solve this, they decide to track their time for an entire week. They carefully record every activity: work meetings, replying to emails, social media browsing, project tasks, breaks, and personal activities. At the end of the week, they notice something surprising. A significant portion of their day is spent on non-urgent meetings and scrolling through social media. This realization is a turning point. The employee starts declining non-essential meetings, focuses only on valuable ones, and limits social media usage during work hours, dedicating specific break times for it instead. By tracking their time, they identify the real time wasters and reallocate those hours to tasks that truly matter. Secret number 4. Focus on your most important tasks. Each day comes with countless tasks, but not all are created equal. The key is to dedicate most of your time to the ones that matter the most. Imagine an entrepreneur juggling multiple responsibilities: product development, marketing, managing finances, and networking. With limited time, they decide to prioritize. Knowing that creating a prototype is the most urgent and critical task, they temporarily pause other activities like marketing and networking. Why? Because no amount of marketing or networking will help if the product itself isn't strong. By focusing on what's essential, the entrepreneur ensures they use their time effectively and take meaningful steps toward their business goals. Prioritizing doesn't mean ignoring other tasks. It simply means understanding what deserves your attention first. Secret number 5. Set specific goals. Your goals need to be clear and specific. Let me explain with an example. Imagine your life goal is to become a big person. Now, this goal is too vague. You know you want success, but in which field? Which industry? Or in what kind of business? Without clarity, this goal becomes meaningless. Let's take another example. Suppose a professional wants career advancement and sets a goal. I want to progress in my career. Again, this isn't specific enough. A better, more specific goal would be: in the next 2 years, I want to secure a managerial role in this company. Now, that's a crystal clear objective. Once the goal is specific, it becomes easier to break it into smaller steps. For example, this professional can identify the skills and experience required for that managerial role. They can plan accordingly, whether it's gaining additional education, seeking mentorship, or improving specific skills. Now, think about it. By simply defining a vague goal more specifically, they've created a clear roadmap to achieve it. Without specificity, they might have wandered aimlessly, unsure of what to do next. This example shows how setting specific goals not only clarifies your path, but also brings you closer to success. Secret number 6. Focus on being productive, not busy. There's a big difference between being productive and just being busy. Let's look at an example. Imagine 2 people, Person A and Person B. Person A is constantly juggling tasks, attending back-to-back meetings, replying to endless emails, and multitasking all day long. On the other hand, Person B takes a completely different approach. They analyze their tasks, identify the most important ones, and focus on completing those effectively. What happens? Person A feels mentally exhausted and stressed because they're trying to do everything at once, even tasks that aren't essential. Meanwhile, Person B works calmly and efficiently, focusing only on high-priority work. Who is more productive? Clearly, Person B. Not only are they delivering high-quality results, but they're also able to enjoy life because they're not overwhelmed. In contrast, Person A remains stuck in a cycle of stress and inefficiency. The lesson here is simple. Productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters. Focus on the important things, and don't fall into the trap of simply staying busy. Secret number 7. Use a journal and planner. This secret emphasizes the power of planning and how it can transform your productivity. Let me explain with another example. Imagine someone who wants to improve their efficiency. They start using a planner to organize all their tasks. Each morning, they create a detailed to-do list, writing down their tasks based on deadlines and priorities. They also allocate a specific amount of time to each task. Now, they have a structured plan for the entire day. With everything written down, there's no confusion or wasted time deciding what to do next. They move from one task to another smoothly, meeting deadlines and accomplishing more. Without a planner, their day would have been chaotic, with important tasks forgotten or delayed. But by planning, they've turned their day into a series of focused, productive hours. Using a planner helps you organize your day efficiently. For instance, imagine someone who starts their day by creating a to-do list. They list all their tasks, assign priorities, and allocate specific time for each activity. Throughout the day, they stick to their plan, focusing on one task at a time. As they complete each task, they mark it off the list, and by the end of the day, they see all their tasks are done. If anything remains, they simply add it to the next day's list. This structured approach not only boosts their productivity but also reduces stress because they know exactly what to do and when to do it. Planning like this ensures no time is wasted, and every moment is used efficiently. With a proper plan in place, you'll find yourself accomplishing more while staying focused. Secret number 8. Learn to say no. Learning to say no is crucial for maintaining focus and setting boundaries. Imagine an employee who keeps saying yes to every task and meeting, even when they're already overloaded. Eventually, their workload piles up, their work quality suffers, and their productivity drops. Realizing this, the employee starts saying no to tasks and meetings that don't align with their priorities. For example, they decline unnecessary meetings or irrelevant tasks, doing so respectfully. This allows them to concentrate on their important work and deliver better results. You too need to identify tasks that don't add value to your goals and learn to say no to them. This simple habit saves your energy, reduces stress, and helps you focus on high-quality work that truly matters. Secret number 9. Delegate effectively. If you have too much on your plate, delegation is your best friend. For instance, consider a team leader overwhelmed with tasks. They analyze their workload and identify tasks that don't require their expertise or direct decision-making. These tasks, such as organizing events or attending minor meetings, are delegated to specific team members. By doing this, the leader frees up valuable time to focus on high-level strategies, planning, and managing the team more effectively. Delegating not only boosts their productivity but also provides an opportunity for their team members to learn new skills and grow professionally. Remember, delegation isn't just about offloading work. It's about empowering others while ensuring your focus remains on tasks that truly require your attention. Secret number 10. Use technology wisely. This secret emphasizes leveraging technology to enhance your productivity. Whether it's task management tools, scheduling apps, or collaboration software, technology can help you streamline your work and save time. This secret emphasizes using technology to increase productivity, not distractions. Imagine someone managing their work with digital tools, but they're constantly interrupted by social media notifications. Every time they open these notifications, they get distracted, losing track of their tasks. The key takeaway here is to use technology for good. You can implement strategies like turning off notifications from unnecessary apps or setting specific times to check emails and social media. For instance, you can decide to check your emails and social media only for 30 minutes at the end of the day. This way, the rest of the day remains focused on your important tasks without distractions. Technology has its benefits, but if used wisely, it can definitely boost your productivity. Just remember, moderation is key. Secret number 11. Batch similar tasks together. This secret is all about saving time and improving productivity by grouping similar tasks. Let's say you're a freelancer managing multiple projects, writing articles, conducting research, and other tasks. You have two options. Either you can do any task at any time, or you can group similar tasks together and assign specific times to each. For example, you could dedicate your mornings to writing articles, afternoons to research, and evenings to other tasks. If you keep switching between writing and research, you'll waste time opening and closing different tools and websites. By batching similar tasks together, you'll reduce time wasted on transitions and focus more on completing each task efficiently. This simple strategy can significantly boost your productivity. Secret number 12. Use rituals to maximize productivity. Creating rituals or routines can greatly enhance your productivity. For example, an entrepreneur who wants to be more productive might start their day with a morning ritual. Waking up early, doing some exercise, meditating, and reviewing their goals. By following this routine, they set themselves up for a focused and energized day. This ritual eliminates the need to plan every day from scratch. They already know what they need to do, and mentally, they're prepared for their tasks. Similarly, they could create an evening ritual, where they plan their to-do list for the next day, organize their workspace, and reflect on their accomplishments. Such rituals not only boost productivity but also help maintain a clear and focused mindset. Secret number 13. Stay healthy. This secret reminds us that while managing productivity and time is important, we can't neglect our health, both physically and mentally. Imagine a professional who's so busy with work that they sometimes skip meals or can't find time to exercise. They also don't have time for family or friends, and as a result, they become mentally disturbed. This takes a toll on their health. Realizing this, they decide to prioritize their health, creating a routine that includes exercise, drinking enough water, and getting proper sleep. As a result, their focus improves, and they feel healthier both physically and mentally. No job or task is more important than your health. You need to make time for it, and doing so will improve your overall productivity and well-being. Secret number 14. Optimize your environment. Your environment plays a huge role in your ability to focus. Imagine a professional working from home, with kids running around and their spouse doing household chores. This constant noise and activity make it hard to concentrate. The same goes for a student trying to study for exams in a noisy home. To truly focus on your tasks, you must optimize your environment. If you have an important meeting, ask your family to hold off on their activities for a while, or find a quiet space outside the house to attend the meeting. Creating a distraction-free environment is essential to staying focused and getting things done efficiently. By optimizing your surroundings, you can concentrate better and accomplish your goals with more clarity. Secret number 15. Never stop learning. Self-improvement and skill development require continuous learning. In today's world, learning is more important than ever because new technologies are being used in every field. To keep up, you must learn how to use these new tools and technologies. Without ongoing learning, it's hard to grow or move forward. If you want to dive deeper into learning, you can check out our videos on the topic. Staying updated with new knowledge and skills is essential for success. So, friends, that's the end of today's book summary. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Let us know in the comments. Thank you.